This time on ECRN Garage, we do a little more work on the Harley. Today we're back on working on the Harley. I took a little break to get my bikes ready for the road this year, my BSA, my Buell. So I got those all ready to go. So we're going to get this generator put back on. I just painted the pitted chrome cap that was on here just to clean it up a little bit. It's not the right cap for it, so I had to put a set screw in it, but it'll do for our project. Generator installed. I don't have a clutch adjustment bolt for this. You can buy them online for probably $30–40 plus shipping, but I'm trying to do this on little to no budget and what I have available. So I have the right thread, so I'm going to make my own clutch adjustment bolt. So there's my adjustment nut. Just cut a slot in for a screwdriver, and I'll be able to do my clutch adjustment. Alright, I'll screw my adjustment bolt in. I'll adjust the free play in the lever. Got no free play there. Back the bolt out. Give it a little bit of free play. So, to lock this in place, I've got my socket. I have to put my screwdriver into the slot that I made. And then all I gotta do is tighten this up. And that's the clutch adjusted. I still got a free play that I need. Another job done. I'm going to attempt to make a coil bracket out of some scrap steel to go with the rest of the theme. The brackets for these are around another $50–60 plus conversion and taxes, shipping. It's a lot of money for just a simple little bracket, so I'm going to try to make one, save a little money. All it has to do is hold the coil on, so no big deal. As long as it doesn't go flying off anywhere, we'll be good. Well, that's the coil all mounted up on the Harley. I got a coat of paint on it. Hopefully it's installed for the last time. Looks pretty good. It's nice and solid. Well, that'll be it for this time on the Harley. I have a few more parts ordered up. So please remember to like, share, and subscribe to help out the channel. And we'll see you next time.